Hey guys, welcome to Screen Print Vendor. I will be packing some orders. I will be showing you guys the process of me packing orders, how I pack my bundle orders, or when I do a launch date. So I usually sort everything out, and then after everything is sorted out, I start packing them in these clear mailers. I did get these on Amazon. If you guys are looking for wholesale, I also do wholesale. My minimum requirement is 100 prints. You guys can mix and match designs, and I also have catalog and I accept custom. If you guys are interested, you guys can message me on Instagram, screenprintvendor. So after I process and pack everything, you guys, as you can see, I kind of already have a lot of orders packed. Usually right here, I like to carry a lot of my extra orders for singles. So if you guys ordered singles, I'll have them right here. I did get this on Amazon, this shelf. So this is a organizer shelf I got on Amazon. So yes, I put my single prints here and I get ready to pack them, kind of have them organized. So I printed some labels. Now I'm going to be packing the orders in the rigid mailers. So this is my first vlog. I'll be posting vlog number 2. Thank you guys for watching.